Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad exhaust manifold and it's time to replace it? How do you know you have a bad exhaust manifold or a bad exhaust manifold gasket? When you start your vehicle and you hear a puffy noise, clicking noise, tapping noise, and so on, and when you notice that noise start to go away or start to diminish as the engine starts to warm up, that is a sign you got a bad exhaust manifold or a bad exhaust manifold gasket. The reason why that noise starts to go away is because when the engine starts to get hot and the exhaust manifold starts to get hot, the metal starts to expand. And when the metal starts to expand, it will close up the gap, the clearance between the exhaust manifold and the mating surface. And when the gap starts to close, again, it will cause that noise to start to diminish. The next sign of a failing exhaust manifold is going to be poor engine performance and sluggish or slow acceleration. If there's something wrong with the exhaust manifold, again, it can cause those issues. The next sign of a bad exhaust manifold is going to be exhaust fume. When you're in a cabin and you smell exhaust fume, it could be a sign that the exhaust manifold is cracked, or maybe a piece broke out of it, or maybe the exhaust gasket are bad. The next sign of a bad exhaust manifold is going to be rattling noise. When that exhaust manifold bolt start to break, it can cause the exhaust manifold to start to rattle like this, and also this part as well. When that nut or the bolt becomes extremely rusted, again, it can cause the exhaust manifold to become loose and you're going to hear a rattling noise. So make sure to check this part over here and this part here as well. So one thing I like to do is I like to grab the exhaust manifold, I like to wiggle it and shake it. If the exhaust manifold can move just a bit, then that's how you know it's going to be loose. The next sign of a bad exhaust manifold is going to be the check engine light is going to turn on. When the oxygen sensor is not working properly because it is getting inaccurate reading inside the exhaust manifold, again caused by a crack or a leak in the exhaust, again it is going to trigger the check engine light. And again, if the oxygen sensor is sending incorrect data to the computer can cause the engine to run poorly. There are a lot of reasons why exhaust manifold fail. The number one reason is going to be caused by rust. So make sure to check for a very rusted exhaust manifold. If the exhaust manifold is extremely rusted, it can start to crack, it can break, it can literally fall apart, and it can cause the exhaust manifold bolt or nut to rust and to fail as well. The next reason is going to be caused by an engine misfire. When there is an engine misfire, it can cause a lot of raw fuel to get dumped inside the exhaust system, and it can cause the exhaust manifold to become extremely hot, and it can cause it to fail prematurely. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.